Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use keyframe editor in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, here in Edit tab, select the clip on your timeline that you want to animate. Now look at the top upper left side of the screen, just under the main top left menu bar. So we have this menu bar right here, and then at the bottom of that is here some more menus, and you will see keyframe button. So click on that, and like so, we see now these keyframes right here. So if you need more space, click the pop out icon so you can close media pool, or if you have effects open, just like that, you will just make more space here for these keyframes. It depends how you have this layout of your DaVinci organized. So the keyframe editor acts like a map of your parameter across time. It displays parameter horizontally, zoom position, cropping alongside a dedicated timeline. So click the three dots menu, so right over here, and select display parameters with keyframe. All right. So you only see the rows you are actively animating. Move keyframes. Simply click and drag a white diamond keyframe left or right to change when an animation happens. So we have it. But if you don't see any diamond keyframe left or right here, what you can do is just simply select display or parameters back again, and right here you will see basically all of them. And now you can just simply select what you want. So you will see here these diamonds, and you can adjust those diamonds like so. And here you have them. You can move them left and right as you wish. What else you can do is simply just double click on them, and you will see zoom, and you can adjust this way also. Then use the standard inspector panel, so you have it right here on the right side, to alter properties like scale or placement. Now, to delete them, just click on frame and click on delete, and just like that, you will basically delete the keyframe here on these keyframes menu basically. So yeah, this is all about keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. I hope at least something helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next